This Mfish 4-in-1 charging cable is perfect because it comes in this convenient carrying case. And as you can see, it's purple, which I love. It does have Lightning, USB-C, USB-A, USB-C. So it has USB-A to USB-C in Lightning, and then USB-C to Lightning or USB-C. Another cool feature, when you plug it in, it lights up. I am currently using this with my Kindle, so I have it plugged in USB-A to USB-C. You can see my Kindle is charging, and then there's the feature of how it lights up and it changes colors, which I love. It is so cool. I could just sit here and watch it all day, but I won't, and I will link it below so you can get yours today.